If you're feeling overwhelmed or anxious from everything that's going on in life, you're not alone. I've been there, and Arnold has too. During his 20s, Arnold trained for bodybuilding competitions, worked a full-time job running his bricklaying business, invested in real estate, and became an actor. There was a lot of obstacles, and Arnold felt anxious because it seemed like this one big problem. This is when Arnold decided to turn to a friend, teaching Transcendental Meditation. To put this form of meditation simply, you sit down with your eyes closed and silently chant a mantra. Arnold practiced this method of meditation by doing it 20 minutes in the morning and 20 minutes at night daily. He said after about 3 weeks, he learned how to disconnect his mind, focus more, and calm down. After about 1 year, he felt that he reaped all the benefits from meditating in this way. He understood that the practice of meditation was to hone your ability to focus on one thing and be in the present. The year of meditation taught him to not merge everything together and see everything as one big problem, but to concentrate on just a single thing at a time. In this sense, you're performing a type of meditation. Workouts, studying, and just working really hard, focusing on one thing, are all forms of meditation.
I think the biggest mistake is that you go to the gym and you go through the motion, but you don't really have your mind inside the muscle.
Your mind is in the muscle. What he means is that while training, you need to be fully present and giving 100% focus to the movement. Arnold applied this idea to every area in his life, ensuring that every moment he spends is a productive moment. It's a combination of deliberate practice, awareness, and focus. This leads us to his personal method of doing focus work. He spends about 45 minutes to 1 hour on a task, such as reading a script, and then walks away from it for about 15 minutes, perhaps playing a game of chess. Then he comes back with high energy, feeling refreshed, as if it were his first time doing it again. This is also the time intervals for deliberate practice as well. Pretty much most books I've read on productivity and skill building agree perfectly with Arnold's methods. It's affirming to know that someone like Arnold has found a lot of success by using these methods. So if you are feeling overwhelmed or anxious, consider meditation. I personally have found it to be very helpful in keeping my mind clear and light. If you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a like and subscribing. Thanks for watching.